I had an opportunity to visit Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center during my trip to Austin in April. Now, Texas may be known for its size, but here at the Wildflower Center, it's all about celebrating the beauty of tiny annual and perennial flowers. I will take you on a journey through the history of this remarkable place and explore why it holds a special place in the heart of Austin. The Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center was originally founded as a National Wildflower Research Center in 1982 by Lady Bird Johnson and her close friend and actress Helen Hayes. Lady Bird's passion for native plant conservation and environmentalism dates back long before it became a global attention. In 2006, it became a part of the University of Texas at Austin, which is also the college Lady Bird herself had graduated from. Despite Lady Bird's passing in 2007, her legacy continues to inspire conservation efforts through education and research projects. The Wildflower Center spreads out 284 acres of land, offering a blend of cultivated gardens, an arboretum, and wildlands. The mild climate of Austin and abundant rain allow flowers to bloom throughout the year, which is crucial for annuals and perennials with shallow roots. The landscape here featured thoughtful integration of hardscape elements with the surrounding plants, using natural stones such as sandstone and limestone locally found in Texas. Here in the Central Garden, you will discover a collection of 1,000 species of native Texas plants. Visiting in April, I was treated to a breathtaking display of spring blooms such as pink evening primrose, blue sage, Mexican tulip poppy, wine cup, and the state flower of blue bonnet, commonly known as lupin. Blue bonnet is also the wildflower Lady Bird fell in love with Austin when she first arrived in 1930 for college. I was particularly fascinated by the use of crushed pecan shell mulch, not only for its practical benefits, but also for its environmentally friendly approach, considering Texas is a major pecan-producing state. Theme gardens cater to various purposes, from attracting butterflies and hummingbirds to deterring deer. Wisteria looks like it just finished blooming. It is hard to miss this large cactus shrub called tree chala, which is native to southwestern states. It was too early to see its flowers, but they will attract bees and butterflies, while birds love its fruits. The Lucy and Ian Family Garden offers a delightful experience for families. Children can immerse themselves in nature's wonders, exploring narrow caves, splashing around creeks, and interacting with creative art installations. Lady Bird's vision for environmental education starts out with these young visitors. My final stop is the Arboretum Trail. It is getting hotter. Oak trees are providing nice shade. The trail is surrounded by vast grass fields. I'm at Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center in Austin. After a scary thunderstorm and lightning 2 nights ago, today we have a gorgeous April day. You see thousands of solar landscape light behind me that will look gorgeous at night. As my time here at the garden come to an end, I am grateful for the opportunity to immerse myself in Lady Bird's legacy for the conservation of wildflowers. This serene garden truly captures her passion for preserving the beauty of native plants in Texas.